Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most advanced, controversial, and strategically important fighter jets in the world, the F-35 Lightning II. This aircraft is not just a symbol of American air power. It's a technological ecosystem designed to dominate the battlefield of the future. From unmatched stealth capabilities to cutting-edge sensors, the F-35 stands as a cornerstone of modern air warfare. And in this video, we're breaking down its origins, technology, performance, and why so many countries have invested billions to join the F-35 program. The story of the F-35 begins in the 1990s with the Joint Strike Fighter program, a monumental effort to create a single aircraft platform that could serve multiple branches of the US military. Instead of producing separate fighters for the Air Force, Navy, and Marine Corps, the idea was to build three variants of one aircraft. The F-35A for the Air Force with conventional takeoff and landing, the F-35B with short takeoff and vertical landing for the Marines, and the F-35C with a larger wingspan and reinforced landing gear for Navy aircraft carriers. This approach promised efficiency, reduced costs, and interoperable technology across branches. But while it simplified logistics, it also made the aircraft incredibly complex to design. And that complexity shaped the F-35's development journey. When we talk about the F-35, the first thing that comes to mind is stealth. The Lightning II is engineered from the ground up to avoid detection. Its shape, materials, and internal weapons bays all contribute to its remarkably low radar cross-section, making it very difficult for enemy radars to track. In modern combat, being seen first can be fatal. The F-35's ability to stay invisible gives pilots a massive tactical edge, allowing them to detect and engage threats before the enemy even knows they're there. This first look, first shot, first kill advantage is the core of what makes fifth-generation fighters so powerful. But stealth is just the beginning. What truly sets the F-35 apart is its sensor fusion. This aircraft gathers information from all its onboard sensors, shares it across the jet's networks, and displays it to the pilot in a simplified, unified interface. Instead of being overwhelmed by dozens of data streams, the pilot sees a complete, real-time picture of the battlefield. It's like going from juggling raw data to having an AI-powered command center built directly into the cockpit. The pilot becomes more of a tactician than a traditional stick-and-rudder operator, making the F-35 not just a fighter jet, but a flying intelligence hub. The distributed aperture system might be the F-35's most impressive sensor. This system uses multiple infrared cameras placed around the aircraft to give the pilot a 360-degree view. With a special helmet-mounted display, the pilot can look through the plane as if the aircraft were transparent. This capability is especially useful during night missions, missile defense, and close-range dogfighting. Combine that with the jet's long-range targeting systems, and the F-35 becomes one of the most situationally aware fighters ever built. Of course, a fighter needs performance to back up its intelligence. The F-35 is powered by the Pratt & Whitney F-135 engine, one of the most powerful fighter engines on the planet. It delivers over 40,000 pounds of thrust, allowing the jet to reach speeds near Mach 1.6. While the F-35 isn't designed to be a pure dogfighter like the F-22 Raptor, it's still highly maneuverable thanks to its advanced aerodynamics and flight control systems. Most importantly, its job isn't to get into close-in dogfights. It's to detect threats from long distances and neutralize them with precision. And that brings us to its weapons. The F-35 can carry a variety of air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground bombs, and precision-guided munitions. In stealth mode, weapons are kept in internal bays to maintain radar invisibility. But when stealth is no longer required, the jet can attach additional weapons on external hardpoints, increasing its payload. This combination of stealth and firepower allows the F-35 to adapt to multiple mission types, from air superiority and ground strike to electronic warfare and intelligence gathering. Speaking of missions, one of the F-35's major advantages is its ability to perform many roles at once. Instead of needing separate aircraft for reconnaissance, electronic attack, and air-to-ground missions, the F-35 can carry out all these tasks simultaneously, Its electronic warfare capabilities are especially advanced, allowing it to jam enemy radars, confuse air defenses, and protect friendly forces in the air and on the ground. Despite its strengths, the F-35 program has been surrounded by controversy, particularly regarding its cost. With a lifetime program cost in the trillions, critics argue that the jet is too expensive and took too long to develop. However, supporters say the costs reflect the enormous capability the jet delivers. Over time, production prices have decreased, making the aircraft more affordable for international allies. Today, the F-35 is used by the United States and many allied nations, including the UK, Italy, Japan, Israel, Australia, and others. This global adoption means the F-35 is more than just an American weapon. It's a central piece of Western air power strategy. When countries train together using the same aircraft, they share data, tactics, and strategic coordination, making joint operations far more effective. As warfare continues to evolve, the F-35 remains at the forefront of next-generation technology. With ongoing software updates, upgraded sensors, and future-ready design, the aircraft will continue improving for decades. It's not just a fighter, it's a long-term investment in air dominance. For the US and its allies, the F-35 ensures they maintain a critical technological edge in a world where air superiority is more important than ever.